To remove the tail light on a 99 through 2004 Chevrolet S10, you'll need to open the tailgate. Once the tailgate's open, you'll see two screws, one here, one here. You'll need to remove those two screws. Once those two screws are removed, you'll pull out on the tail light. Once the tail light is out, you press in on this socket right here, turn counterclockwise, and it'll pull out. You're going to do the same thing with the other two bulbs. Twist it counterclockwise. Right here, it also has a tab that you press on while you spin it. Twist it counterclockwise. Once you remove those three bulbs, the tail light is out.